Welcome back to Motor Madness, your go-to spot for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, a vehicle that blends practicality with a bit of innovation. We're talking about the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Auto Rickshaw 9-seater. Yes, you heard that right. A collaboration between Toyota and Bajaj has brought us a refreshed take on the traditional auto rickshaw, and it's turning heads across the streets of India and beyond. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Toyota Bajaj Auto Rickshaw isn't just your average three-wheeler. It's undergone a serious transformation. The front fascia now carries a sleek, modern design with LED headlights and daytime running lights that wouldn't feel out of place on a compact SUV. The aerodynamic contours give it a more refined presence, moving away from the boxy look we usually associate with rickshaws. It has a blacked-out grille with a Toyota badge sitting proudly at the center, a subtle nod to the reliability that comes with the brand. The side profile has also received a facelift, stronger panel lines, improved door fitment, and wider entry steps for easier access. The vehicle sits on 12-inch alloy wheels, which not only look good but also provide better grip and road stability. In terms of dimensions, the 9-seater format stretches the wheelbase slightly, giving it a minivan-like profile from the rear. The taillights have been upgraded to LED units, and the roof has a slightly elevated arch, making headroom a non-issue even for taller passengers. You'll also find additional air vents on the roof to enhance ventilation, especially useful in the Indian summer heat. Overall, Toyota and Bajaj have done a great job at giving the rickshaw a futuristic yet functional design. Now step inside, and this is where the real magic happens. The interior of the 2025 Toyota Bajaj 9-seater has been completely redesigned for comfort and utility. The dashboard is surprisingly premium for a vehicle in this segment. It features a digital instrument cluster, an infotainment touchscreen with Bluetooth connectivity, and even USB charging ports for each row. The steering wheel is compact and multifunctional, allowing the driver to manage audio and take calls hands-free. Toyota has ensured that the quality of plastics and fabrics used is above par for a commercial vehicle. The seating layout is a 3-3-3 configuration, with cushioned bench seats offering decent back support. All rows have ample legroom thanks to the extended chassis. Ventilation has been improved with ceiling-mounted fans and sliding windows, and for those hot days, some variants even offer an optional roof-mounted air conditioning unit. There are grab handles, seat belts, and storage pouches behind each seat, showing that Toyota is focusing on both safety and convenience. On the performance front, the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Rickshaw is powered by a BS6-compliant 296cc single-cylinder petrol engine that's been fine-tuned for city traffic. It churns out around 13 horsepower and 20 Nm of torque. That might not sound like much, but for a vehicle of this size and weight, it delivers respectable acceleration and good pulling power, even when fully loaded with 9 passengers. There's also a CNG variant available, which not only reduces emissions but also cuts down on running costs, a huge win for daily operators. The transmission is a 5-speed manual that's light and responsive, making it easy to drive even in congested urban areas. The turning radius has been kept tight, allowing for agile maneuvering in narrow lanes. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks in the front and hydraulic shocks in the rear, offering a surprisingly smooth ride over potholes and speed breakers. The braking setup consists of drum brakes at the front and rear, assisted by a combi braking system for improved safety. Now let's talk mileage, which is a key concern for anyone considering a people carrier like this. The petrol variant offers around 28 to 30 km per liter, while the CNG version bumps that up to an impressive 38 km per kilogram. These numbers make it one of the most fuel-efficient options in its class, especially when compared to traditional vans or electric rickshaws that still suffer from range anxiety and longer charging times. And finally, let's get into the pricing. The base petrol model of the 2025 Toyota Bajaj 9-seater starts at around 3.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom, while the top-end CNG variant with all the bells and whistles is priced at approximately 4.2 lakh rupees. Considering what you get, 9 seats, modern features, fuel efficiency, and Toyota's badge of reliability, this is an incredible value proposition. For fleet owners, rideshare operators, or even large families in need of affordable transport, this rickshaw is a game changer. To wrap it up, the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Auto Rickshaw 9-seater is a bold step in the evolution of people movers. With a solid blend of style, comfort, practicality, and performance, it sets a new benchmark in the commercial vehicle segment. Whether you're driving or riding in one, it delivers a level of sophistication that was unheard of in the rickshaw category until now. That's all for today on Motor Madness. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more updates on the wildest rides in the automotive world. Catch you in the next one.